now we are moving on to some activity. And that is going to be craft.
Oh, okay.
Wow. I hope I win.
Okay, it's activity time and these people are going to do, my guests are going to do craft with me.
Okay.
Alright? Okay, see there are 4 chits here.
Hmm.
4 chits. And what you want to do is 30 seconds एकल्याक मेवते ले.
Okay.
Okay, कोणे एकल्यानी चीट काडपाचे, पोवपाचे कितें आहा पळय तें 30 सेकंडा भितर तें करून दाखोवपाचें. Craft papers are kept here. If you want to do some eyes and all, marker is kept here.
Okay.
Okay? So who is going
Who is drawing, right?
No, you need to do the craft.
The
Do
folding
it
part.
with the craft paper, folding activity.
Oh, I'm so bad.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
stop.
that. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Who's going?
Yeah, I'll pick one.
Come on.
It's the red.
Red one.
Yeah.
What is it?
Both should do.
No, it's me.
Airplane.
So I should do.
Airplane.
Me also.
Yes.
Yeah,
I'll
yeah.
tell you when your 30 seconds starts.
Okay.
Okay, and your time starts now.
Okay.
My God. Veronica, what are you doing?
I forgot.
It's an airplane.
Oh,
You
it's
know what
an
is airplane? 30
Oh.
seconds you're getting.
It's a long time we made this.
Yes,
Crafting.
doing
I am making a rocket. It's same, right?
this. Airplane, let me see. Which one is better?
Yeah.
Who's the fastest? He done, man. Equally done. Done.
This
Okay.
is not even. Yeah.
Okay.
Nice, yeah.
Nice.
Good. Okay. Well played.
Yeah.
Okay, this is for me now.
Yeah.
Okay, who's gonna take the chit?
Me.
Okay.
Here.
Florissant, huh?
Yeah, I love this color. Boat.
Boat.
Both.
Okay. So ready? You know what is boat? How it
Yeah.
Okay. So your time starts now. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah, I know this.
You seems to be very faster, but then you all tie up each other. बराबर जाता तुमचे दोघांचे. How is it?
Yeah.
Practice केलं?
It's interesting that it happens like
I
that.
lost.
Veronica, what are you doing?
Okay. And
Mine is just a.
there you go.
What is that? Show me what is that. Is that
No, what
this is the
happened?
proper boat? What is that?
This boat is sinking, you know.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Good try you gave.
Good.
I'm sure now you know what is a boat.
I'm very
looking like
bad in craft.
and everything. Okay.
I'm doing after a long time, you know.
Even me.
You should do again. You should do again.
Me again?
Yeah.
You again?
Cheating, huh? Still I'll do.
Why do you choose colors which are matching on your black?
Bird.
Bird. It's a bird.
Can I just give up? You go ahead.
No, you just try.
We'll try.
Once
I
again,
never tried.
I'll
I
give
think
you a
bird.
countdown.
You
Okay?
choose one.
It's a bird. So, your time starts now.
No.
Okay.
I'll make a big bird.
So, it's
It's a bird.
It's so good. Let me copy
She
it.
is still folding it. Bird is done here. It's ready to fly, I think.
I don't know. It's
Is that an eagle which you made?
oh my.
She is done it with this bird.
Yeah, it's a peacock.
It's got a beak.
It's a peacock.
Everyone is doing it. Look at me. Okay, well done. Well played. So, last chit. Who's
Okay,
going?
I go for it.
Blue one.
Fish.
God.
Fish. Okay, wait.
Put a fish. Make a fish. Put it in it.
Okay. So, your time starts now. Come on, go for it.
You take a
Make
black.
a
Now you have
black
a black
fish.
marker. You can draw a nice eye for the fish.
How does a fish be? I'm so bad in craft.
Okay, I'll just take a fish like this.
You know how a fish looks like?
Yeah, the fish also looks like this side.
This is Pamphlet.
Yeah.
Pamphlet.
Now you give.
Oh, he's drawing an eye for it over there. 2 eyes.
No, my fishes come from
Give
another world only. Like,
nice, yeah. What are the eyes?
Yeah.
good,
See,
good.
it goes like this.
Ah.
This is special fish.
Good.
More soft.
Well done, yeah. Well played.